Today I'm doing something a little bit different, just a little bit different. I'm installing the bunk windows. This is the half-fly window, but it's not CR Lawrence. It's not AMA. It's the Van Window Direct brand. It's a little bit different, but I found it. At least it's for me. It's better, easier in installation. I'll tell you why. You know, when you use the fine teeth cutting tool, metal cutting tool, it comes out really smooth. It's less work for you to deburr, to file the edges. So, and it's smoother cutting. You don't have to use too much force either. Let's take a look at the WD window, which is window direct. Half-slide bunk, and this is exactly the same size as the CR Lawrence half-slide, which is the 33 by 10, 11. I'll take a measurement of that. I'm gonna take a measurement in a minute, but this is how it looks like. Okay, and this one doesn't require glue to install. It has frame. It's a one-piece frame. There's no cut. It's one ring. How thick is this? About 1.5 inches thickness. Okay, that's a frame, but I can tell you it's very durable, very solid window. 10 inches. Okay, that is the opening where you cut the holes is 10 inches, and the length is a 33. So it is exactly like the CR Lawrence, and the outside frame 11.5. Okay, so I'm using the same template as I'm using the CR Lawrence. However, CR Lawrence has a insulation already built in around, and this one, it comes with a tape double. It's not double. It's a stick tape, and it's about. This is the insulation. It's 1/4 of an inch, which when you install it, it's gonna be compressed against the window on the outside, and that makes it waterproof seal, which is I like this. I like this because you can see it compressed against the window on the outside. And it comes with these plugs here because the window is universal. You can install it either this way or this way, and then there's a drainage all right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 drainage, and that's what the plugs are for. You can plug it so the water cannot go through from the top, and they come with about 3/4 inch self-driven screw, Phillips screw it is. So even though it's a self-driven, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-drill pilot hole, just a tiny bit of pilot holes, so it doesn't slip when you go in to install it. It doesn't slip. That's what I'm gonna do right now. now that I drill all the pilot holes, we are ready to go install. But let me show you where you drill. This is, you see the channel right here. If you look closely, you'll see that channel. That's where you're gonna drill those pilot holes in between those channels. And just follow the pre-drill hole on the frame here. Let's go install. Alright, hold on. Not ready for installation yet. Anyways, I want to show you real quick. This is how the lock on this window. You kind of pull up, and then just slide back like this. Okay, and then back in there, and this thing go right through the slot right here to lock the window, so you cannot open it. Okay, now I have to apply this tape before I take it over there ready for installation. But I want to know which way is the top, which way is the bottom. So okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, this is how I'm going to install, and I want to slide it backward like this, so the opening side is toward the front of the van. Okay, if you notice this, see the logo, they have this side right way up, and this side is upside down. That's what it is designed for, because when it depends on which way you want to install. I already identified which way is the top, which is this part. This side is the top. So I want to start this from the bottom. I want the connection to be on the bottom. Okay, you don't want the connection to be on the top. That's why you have to identify which way. And then all you have to do is peel the tape. Very easy to peel. And just, you want to come up this way. Okay. Right there, and it fits right exactly the same size as the flange, and then just work your way all around it. So it's easy to, because the tape is really soft. See how it comes out. Alright, so with somebody helping from the outside, you want to go ahead, align your holes. First, you're not gonna tight. You're not gonna make it super tight yet. You're just gonna drill, screw it in, and hold it in place so it doesn't move around anymore. And then start from the top, and then do the bottom, and then the sides, and then you start going all around, and then start tying everything all at once. Here we go. Done. Looks nice. I like it. Let's take a look on the other side. This side is done as well. And look at this. You just pull it toward you and then slide open. Lock. Let's take a closer look at how it looks like from the outside. You can see the seal here all tight against the wall. Okay, looks good. There you go, guys. Window is done, both of them. Window Direct Bunk windows. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.